Hello lovers of bouquet fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Here. So guys, I'll be showing you the before and after of various weeks. So here's our first before and here is the after of our week 1. So guys, this is actually a part 2 video on revamp and styling, so you can check out my previous videos for the revamp of these hairs and what they look like before styling. So I kept this minimal. I just used a steam pot to straighten it, and that was all about it. So I just wanted this to be simple, and that's it. So our second hair is going to be our water wave, and here's what it looked like before and here's what it looks like after revamp and styling. So guys, with this I use my water and Laudes oil to mix together to achieve this wet look. So here's what our results look like. As you can see, everything is looking peng. So yeah, don't forget to check out the previous video, our part 1, to see what these hairs really look like before our revamp and styling process. So guys, our third and final week is going to be our red week. So here's what it looked like before and here's what it is looking like after styling. So as you can see, it's giving the bounce and the curls and everything. Like, guys, check this out. So here's after revamp and styling, and as you can see, it's looking perfect. So you can also check out my previous videos to see how I got this look, and that's it, guys.